All right, so it's already August 5. By the way, let's apologize for because we were, as Simone said, we should have heard Malik the saxophonist, and we will hear him, but we had some technical problems.
It was Neville's fault.
Yeah, we had some technical problems, so we will sort that out, and hopefully you will hear Malik in just a little while. So, I said at the start, August 5.
Accepted.
Thank you. And before you know it, parents all over will be scurrying to check things off their back-to-school list. So with that in mind, our producer is merging the back-to-school fever with a game of charades.
I would never have known what that was.
B2SK. Well, I am one of the youngsters here, so I know these things. Me go first. Charades mean you don't have to talk and you know these things, right?
Except you've never been able to get the game right, because you're the one who's always talking. But anyway.
Are you ready?
Yes. Are we going to get some music?
No, remember, this is back-to-school stuff.
Okay.
All right.
I heard you the first time. Come out here, let me see what you're doing.
All right, don't talk now.
Is there a time limit? No? All right. Driving, taking the kids to school. Taking the kids to school in the car? Taking the kids to school in traffic? Driving. Show me a clue. Yes, strict safe standard driving. Yes. Jody, there's another clue he can give me, right? There's got to be another clue he can. Yes, he can. Okay. Are you sure me driving?
But you say it already, taking the kids to school in a school bus. Me tell you, say
no.
So how me for the school bus? Explain school bus. Well, show me how I should do school bus.
So you have a little car.
Yeah.
Or you have a big
But you don't say, I go so you say driving, I say yeah.
Children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Then that me say, me go, one picnic, two picnic, three picnic. Anyway, all right, I never get that one. Your time. God. I think you need to go to school to learn some of these
whatever. All right.
Don't you know what I was talking about?
No, she did not.
Of course, Jody said. Sister Dealey did know that.
Come, you and Sister Dealey. It's a joke. All right, ready?
Yeah. Reading a book.
Okay, reading.
Yeah, but me, I'll tell you where I read. That's how brilliant I am.
It wasn't actually a book, it was a brochure.
Where school get brochure from? She fool is it? Oh, this one not going to be easy.
Okay. Is that a brochure or a book? Reading, studying. Neville is the worst charades player I have ever come across.
You get it already?
In my
She get it already.
Jody, did you get it? All right, do it again now. That looked like when Benji tell us to break, and I know that's not what it is. Oh, break. Oh, break time? So hanging out, relax. Break time?
Yeah, recess.
So what was all of that other things?
Because I was reading, I put down the book and then I take up my drink and I start to play and all kind of
you
thing.
You think I'm Broadway and everything?
How you know that?
Is that an audition?
Sister Dealey. Oh, you know it,
Sister. She
Sister.
probably saw the clues.
No, Sister Dealey,
Jody,
no.
you did not know that was break time.
Oh, Jody have a new name, by the way.
Jody, did you know that was break time?
Yeah. Don't you know, sister? I was reading, I put down my book, I take up my drink, I go play, I should have started.
All right. All right.
Sister
Dealey. Poor sister, them just punch you up, you know?
Yeah, that's Sister Dealey, yeah.
Come.
Board. Teacher. But that is not her thing, it's me, bright, because you just point on a wall and I know you use the board and the teacher is me, bright.
I wasn't the board.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. You want me as the genius? Thank you. You need to go back to school.
The whole of them in there is a set of Neville apologies. Oh, this is going to be good. Okay, wow. What is scouting out? You know? Were you frightened? You start or you don't start? Is it the same chalkboard? Paper. whiteboard.
Whenever you're a
That
genius.
was the best clue. And it was only the best clue because I had already established that was a board.
Yeah, but how you get the white part?
Because the paper is white.
Yeah, but how you gonna paper before I said board and then you got paper? You the pet?
It's called extrapolation. I did actually, grade 4.
I bet you feel it.
Extrapolation and inference. If it wasn't paper,
What
it
kind
has
of
to be the colour.
lation? What kind of lation was that?
You know,
Extrapolation. No, man, a university reads.
I did do university.
I did.
For quite a bit.
Yeah.
Oops. Wait now?
Extrapolation.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
paper, white, board. You're writing, you're studying. You're still dunce. You're reading a book.
So can I stop now?
So
Or
what
do
is
I,
it?
it says book / something else. But you got book. It was book / notepad.
But me know everything
Which
here.
is 2 different things, by the way, produce. But anyway.
Ready?
Oh, jeez. Yeah. Backpack.
Oh, son of a bell. You should be the Prime Minister.
Dora the Explorer.
Probably me could be the new Minister of Education. Sheffield as my assistant secretary.
Deputy. All right.
Phone. Google. Data. Counting. Calculator. Yeah, all right.
Like
I
the
would,
prince.
no, I get that. I say counting
week
first. You say.
Thursday.
Oh
have
no,
that
this
much
one,
time.
this one beautiful.
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna go get that one now.
Try. I'm here with you.
How me get that one now?
Jesus, this is going to be special.
I remember this is school. I don't know what to do.
Wait, Karina, let me swallow the coffee. Go on now.
Remember in school, so I'm not trying to kill myself.
That's
No.
it.
I kind of
I don't know why you're peeling off your
dissecting.
skin. Stop telling me. Is it biology?
Well, it's science.
Oh,
Show
you
me how
cheated 'cause you
show
said
me how you do the science.
science?
Yeah.
I cannot even begin.
No, seriously. So me,
I would
me,
just
me,
sing
me,
Hubakaba,
me
Hubakaba.
dissecting no nice thing. That's why I say school kind of one. I think me a cut off my
No, can't be.
vein. Yeah? So what me should I do? Since the whole round is so bright, show me how you do the
I
science.
don't know what you do for science.
Thank you. So everybody stays. So what I mean, I'm
Or
a
you could
customer.
use a, yes, you could use a magnifying glass, or you could catch me.
So if I go so with the magnifying glass, you would have just said, oh,
You could, oh,
science.
Sister Delia, and try like cutters. You know what I mean? Like an experiment.
All right,
Blow up in your
folks.
face or something. I don't
So we have sorted out the technical issues. We pray. So Malik will perform after this. We pray.
he
Soon come
will.
back. We will. We shall soon come back.